Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Design Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're trying a product from the guys at Garage Therapy. So this is Sigma, and this is a protection type spray. So what is Sigma, and what are we going to be doing with it today? So it says Sigma is a hybrid spray sealant and a detailer infused with the very latest SiO2 raw materials and nanochemistry to provide outstanding hydrophobics, slickness and gloss. It's designed to prolong ceramic coatings and sealants with a strong focus on enhancing visual depth, slickness and water repellency. So basically from that, that would indicate that you can use it on ceramic coated cars and cars which have sealants on as well. And basically, yeah, you can apply it on top, which sounds good because some of our customers do have coated cars, so yeah, it enables us to use it on that as well. So the next section basically says, well, it's about the performance. So Sigma's performance has been tuned to give 6 weeks durability in a single application and can be layered to enhance and prolong protective qualities and slickness. The result is highly reflective, hydrophobic finish that is compatible with all paint surfaces and works. So basically, yeah, I don't know whether you can use it on matte paint, but it does say there that you can use it on all paint finishes, which is cool. And then I think that is about it. Oh, and it basically says that it can be used with their 3 coating range as well. So yeah, it sort of matches in with that. So the directions of this, so let's have a look. So first, shake well, which is basically on every product, and then using a clean microfiber cloth, prime the face of the towel with 2 to 3 sprays. And then it says spray directly onto the paint with 1 to 2 full sprays and lightly spread into the paint. At this stage, you do not need to buff off. And then it says allowed to cure for 30 to 60 seconds, and then flip the microfiber cloth and then lightly buff to reveal an incredibly deep high gloss finish. And then it says for best results, basically wash the car using their shampoo, and then if you need to decontaminate, then use their decon shampoo as well, which I'm not sure whether we have done a review on, but if we haven't, then yeah, we'll get that sorted out, because we've used that on the van and on a few customers' cars, and it is quite good. So and then carrying on with the best results, and then it says use 2 clean high quality microfiber towels, 1 for application, 1 for buffing off, and then it says apply Sigma as a topper to their 3 coating range to enhance the slickness, gloss and the hydrophobic properties. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply this to the car. So we'll start with the bonnet, and then we'll do a few panels, and then yeah, we'll see sort of how easy it is to apply, what the sort of the cure time is, which I've already said 30 to 60 seconds, but it is quite cold today, so yeah, we'll see if that makes any difference, and then yeah, we'll see how easy it is to buff off as well. Okay, so we're just going to follow the instructions to start with, and then yeah, we'll have a little play about with it, see what it does. So like it says prime the face of the towel with 2 to 3 sprays. And then once we've done that, it says spray directly onto the paint with 1 to 2 full sprays, and then lightly spread onto the paint. At this stage, you don't need to buff off. So we'll just put a few squirts on here, and then yeah, we just need to sort of spread this in. And then yeah, it says leave 30 to 60 seconds. So yeah, we'll just wait for that time to elapse. Okay, so now flip the microfiber cloth over, and then yeah, we can sort of buff that in. So just taking that off there, you literally need one like pass of the cloth, and yeah, it literally comes straight off. So it is very easy to take off. We'll just quickly go back over it, make sure we've got everything. And that's it. That's the bonnet done. So fairly quick application. Yeah, it takes no longer than a few minutes. So let's move on to this side of the car, and then yeah, we'll sort of see what other ways we can use it. So we'll do the same on this front wing. So just one squirt will be fine on that one. And then yeah, we'll leave it again for another 30 to 60 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and buff that off. And then this time I'll get another cloth and sort of go over it. So you can feel where you've been. Yeah, like the bottle says, it is very sort of slick and it is very smooth. So compared to this panel here, where I've not actually done yet, yeah, you can definitely feel where you've been, and the cloth definitely glides along the paint compared to this section here, which has got no product on at all. Okay, so that's basically the end of us trying this out on here. Like I said, it is very slick now. The application process is very easy to apply and take off. So this is £14.50 for 500ml, and well, for you're going to have this bottle for ages, because well, you can see how much I've used, which is hardly any on this car, and it does say it lasts up to 6 weeks. So yeah, it's definitely going to last you well over a year. So it's not that bad price if it does last around about 6 weeks. So also we've had a look into it. You can use it on matte paint as well. So Craig's been using this over the last few months, and yeah, he has used it on vinyl wrap and matte paint as well. So yeah, to answer the question from right at the beginning, yeah, you can use it on all different paint surfaces. So yeah, but yeah, just be careful when you're doing that. You don't want to apply too much, because yeah, you do have the risk of marking it, I guess. So also, I think Craig's tried it on glass as well, as a sort of a top up after glass cleaner, and yeah, it does work quite well on glass as well. The bottle doesn't say it works on glass. It's mainly just for your paintwork, but yes, you can use it on glass as well. So yeah, all in all, nice and easy to apply. Like I say, nice and easy to take off as well. It doesn't actually take that long to apply. You've seen the different shots of the water behaviour when it's just being applied. So what we'll do, we'll release this video, and then if you head over to our social media in a few weeks, we'll try and sort of keep up to date on how this product is on this car as we go through the weeks. So yeah, it says it can last up to 6 weeks. So yeah, we'll try and keep on top of how this is going. We'll pop the link in the description for this. We're probably going to try some more of the Garage Therapy products as well, especially the Decon shampoo. So if you do have any other ideas or products from the Garage Therapy guys that you've tried out or wanting to try out and you want us to try them first, drop them in the comments below, and we'll sort that out so we can sort of review it before you guys buy it. So make sure you subscribe. Like I say, if you've got any questions or comments, pop them below. We'll put a link in the description, and we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!